tools, equipment, and paraphernalia used in the milk preparation. Blank is a vessel usually rounded, which is used holding liquid to maintain heat or
One word, kahit pinaka-important na.
blank is a kitchen and laboratory appliance which is used to mix.
Hindi.
Blank is an electric countertop appliance that brews hot coffee.
Pag-ibigay.
Blank is a flat, wooden, or plastic board.
Sabi word.
Huh?
Sabi word.
Blank is a
Sakto?
blank is a kitchen device which is used for slicing food.
Electric knife. Sakto, anak. Nalagyan ng bigay yung bigay. Ang talag. Anak, nalagyan yung laptop.
Nato ba na? Electric o electric can opener. An electric can opener is a very useful device which is used to open hand good with easy and accuracy. Basta po pa ng basa. Blank is a food. Blank is a multitasking tool which is used to slice, dice, or whip food ingredients.
Na?
Blank is a multitasking tool which is used to slice, dice, or whip food ingredients.
Food processor. Sakto?
Blank is an instrument with two hinge sprung arms for grasping and holding.
Na?
Blank is an instrument with two hinge sprung arms for grasping and holding.
Tong.
Tongs. Blank is long handled spoon with a dip.
Laden.
Blank that is used microwave to cook or heat food. Or kung anong tatanya, blank is used to cook or heat food.
Microwave.
Oven.
Doon ko masikat eh. Yung chair ko nakadala na bonus na.
Blank is an appliance in which electricity, gas is utilized to supply heat to be used for cooking or reheating.
Microwave ulit.
No, not sure yun.
Naman?
Blank is an appliance in which electricity, gas, is utilized to supply heat to be used for cooking or heating. Adala ko gas na Chinese ito ko ano.
Gasoline.
Gasoline! Arong kang umadyan. Ang sagda. Anis ko sarang na shalain mo. Iti, walang mag-shalain.
Gas.
Stop! Stop na.
Ikaw, multiple tayo sa. Kapitilis na. Kapitilis na.
May sana nga pala. Gasunod.
With a gas. Nagsigasan na mga galing. Kasulin.
Salamat. Amin ka sana ko mga dalang radyo kasi ang dapat di siya rin ang
Tangko ko. Ito
gasun pa mo. Burner, di wala ko na. Equipment and para sumanan. Toy cleaning, washing, and ironing. Blank is an apparatus which is used in distracting microorganisms and contains like feeding bottle through boiling.
Nakakagagaran. Kamadrisas na.
Ano daw rin pa mo nga na?
A. Kasi na.
A. Bottle.
Sterilizer? Bakit sterilizer?
Butter sterilizer. At ang aming pamamuji kami butter sterilizer. Caldero. Blank is a tool which is used for
Globe.
sweeping.
Globe.
Sunod na mundan. Blank is a resembles the shape of a person's shoulders and is used to hang garments.
Hanger.
Para hanggang maitayab.
Hanger.
Clothes hanger.
Hanger clothes.
Clothes hanger lang ito yan. Blank is a mechanical device for cleaning dishes, eating utensils, and pots.
Yeah?
Blank is a mechanical device. Mechanical device for cleaning dishes. Dishwasher.
I want a dishwasher.
Blank is a machine or apparatus that removes moisture through ventilator or heat.
Huh?
Blank is a machine or apparatus that removes moisture through ventilator or heat. Uno, dami ito pagkarga. Dryer.
Ay.
Ulit man. Tawala mo ito. Blank is a mechanical device for cleaning dishes, eating utensils, and pots.
Dishwasher.
Blank is a shape of a person's shoulders and is used to hang garments.
Globe. Hangers.
Machine or apparatus that removes moisture.
Dryer.
Caregiving is a atipay?
Hindi mo tayo download di ako. Sige ka lang tayo, no?
Yung technique. Tilang das pang Nagtig sa katibintag, ag-review kami. What is caregiving service? What is caregiving service? It is an activity or
Siyak mga siya.
what is a caregiving service?
Kita mata o ewan answer ko basta kita lumaran.
Mm.
It is ano ulit man? Yeah?
What is a caregiving service?
It is an activity doing in feeling in and
It is an activity or profession for regularly looking after a child or sick, elderly, or disabled persons. Caregiving is most commonly used to address blank is a handled pen or is scooped into which dust is swept.
Despan. 2 words lang. Gawin ano ka?
Blank is a cloth or brooch which is used in removing dirt and dust.
Na?
Blank is a cloth data.
Bukod. Vacuum cleaner.
Duster.
Hindi ako nagsabahan na. That's vacuum duster.
Dustpan. Duster. Duster is a cloth or brush which is used in
Ay, bukod adi. Pagkas yun din, itapok adi.
Dustpan is a handled pen ng natan at yung duster, the cloth or brush which is used to removing dirt. Blank is an electric appliance which is used along with an ironing board.
Yeah?
Electric appliance which is used along with an ironing board.
Ayun. Ayun.
Flat iron.
Ayun.
Blank is a laundry basket. Is a hamper that is used for holding dirty clothes, for washing or washing laundry or sorting basket.
Ano siya? Laundry basket.
Blank is an electric appliance which is used for cleaning floors, carpets, and furniture by suction.
Yeah?
Ita kanya tay ata.
Vacuum cleaner.
Di ko i-giant ka dahil na yan. Electric appliances. Blank is an electric appliance which is used for washing clothes.
Washing machine. Ay, gano'n.
Isa. Use tools, equipments, and sumanan. Blank is an Anaroid. Blank is
Ay,
an
sabagay.
Anaroid.
You can use for editing vital signs. Taking vital signs yun dun sa ating bagbagin. Batahan ka mo ata, wala na kita. Nane,
Blank. Vital sign.
vital signs was lagi para.
An Anaroid unit is measured.
Ano bagbagin?
Mercury.
Mercurians.
Mercurians. Yeah, mercury free and. Tsaka alas na yun. Ano sa pinatoy?
Ano?
Mercury free and.
Mercurial ata.
Mercury tubes of a cut that can be applied one
BP
hand
Anaroid.
frozen. Ha?
Ay, BP Mercury. Ay. BP apparatus Mercurial.
BP apparatus aneroid.
Oh, gano'n.
BP apparatus aneroid is an aneroid
Gusto ata
unit.
ni ba pala? Mga nilita ka niya.
Kasi ano ka doon ipo ka dato ay?
Gusto mo yung maggabitan
Di ba simple awan dato at yung narigat sa tiyan.
Hindi lang namin few words na tanong gusto na ano kasi.
Mercury base.
BP Anaroid. BP apparatus Anaroid.
Hindi mo natin BP apparatus aneroid.
Okay.
Related aneroid using mercury ko na natin. A mercury based unit has a manually inflatable cup attached by tuning to unit that is cabinet in nabalasan ka mo mercury. A mercury based unit has a manually inflatable
BP apparatus. Ang ladak mo ang mga gitang types apparatus. Apparatus. Wait lang.
mercurial.
Oo, so di magdugang Mercurial.
Ikaw ka magambasan ato, sumarigatan ka to.
So ata, sa pagbasan dito. Nag-review kami ng dyan.
Pinagdun datan eh. So, narigat sa tiko ka data.
Ano pa niya is ma.
Ay, nana. Pilaintak man.
Tama mo lang eh.
Di account, di